Let's create a color palette based on an image using Canva, just like this. To start, you just need to upload any image you want to extract the colors from, or you go to Elements and search for a specific term so that you find an image here within the Canva library. I'm using this one in this tutorial, and to extract its colors, you just have to click on the image and then click on one of these colors here. You will see in the photo colors that Canva already selected kind of a palette based on that image. And you can simply click on this other element. It can be a rectangle, it can be a circle. I chose the circle, and then you add the colors to it. But let's say there is something here that you don't like, okay? Maybe you wanted this to be a different color, to be something brightened. So what you're gonna do, you can click on the element and then click here and add a new color, and you're gonna select this tool here to pick a color directly from the image so that it matches to the purpose of your design a little bit better. Okay, so you see, this is a way that you can quickly extract colors from any image using Canva. I hope you like it.